Hello everyone, and today I will bring you the touching times when the animals beg people for their help. So please watch and leave the words of encouragement for these wonderful actions. Leo said that it is the forte of goats, but teaming with the young goats is the most difficult challenge to grow up. And sometimes accidents happen that can cause them to be seriously injured and possibly die. So don't let that happen to this adorable baby goat, as everyone help him to get down the mountain safely. This poor koala got lost from the herd, so it came to this house to take some refuge. And fortunately, the owner welcomed it as a lovely new member of the family. He would have frozen to death here if he wasn't lucky enough to be founded and helped to get him out of the heavy snow. The chameleon was very happy when he brought it into the house to enjoy the cool water, as it was so wonderful when it made its very thirsty. As many people came together to help the giraffe get out of this lake, and after trying for a while, they successfully rescued it. He was giving CPR to the little frog, hoping that it could come back to life. God bless it, and after a few minutes of effort, it was revived. Perhaps this is the most thoughtful animal help I have ever seen, as when bringing the baby lemur to take care of him, he did not forget to bring its teddy bear to help it feel more warm. Falling into a pit of a difficult position, this camel can only rely on kind people to help it to be able to get out. Someone was kind enough to help the stranded octopus get back to the shore. Unable to bear to let this dragonfly and butterfly float in the water, he helped lift it to a nearby tree branch. The children together created a safe corridor to help the ducklings cross the road. Everyone is helping the camel out of the dangerous quagmire that has held it captive for so long. A life, no matter how small, is still worth it. So we help the little worm to carry her to a safer place where it belonged. The moment of helping the goat that fell into the water also ends today's video. And if you find these moments great and thoughtful, then please remember to subscribe to the channel to watch the next parts. Goodbye for now, and see you in the following videos.